Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. I'm back with yet another giveaway, which is a perfect if you have kids and returning to school after holidays. I have one Everlast Rocketbook, which is the most popular, endlessly reusable, cloud connected Rocketbook, and the other is the color book, the Rocketbook for kids, which brings drawing experience to the mobile generation. Both these giveaways are from Rocketbook, who makes some quality care. Please do check their website for all the details. The Everlast notebook provides a classic pen and paper experience, yet in a built for digital age. Although it feels like a traditional notebook, the Everlast is endless reusable and connected to all your favorite cloud services. When you write using a pen from the Pilot friction line, your writing sticks to the Everlast pages like a regular pen, but add a drop of water and the notebook erases like magic. This is worth around 55 Australian dollars. The color notebook brings the time-honored drawing experience to the mobile generation. Create colorful drawings with crayons, markers, and colored pencils, then instantly send and save them using mobile devices. And the Rocketbook. The color works with entire Crayola line of dry erase products. Many other brands work too. However, the Crayola line has been tested with the color and is safe for children. This is worth 40 Australian dollars. To win either of the giveaways, simply like or comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, or share this video on your social media accounts. This is open to all New Zealand and Australian residents. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.